Everybody have body identification. If you are nobody, then only you are nobody. From sadhana only, from experience only, you can realize it. Experience never comes from theory. Suppose you want to cook biryani. You don't know. Your mummy is at Bhimavaram, you are at Hyderabad. So simply you can see in YouTube how to cook biryani. It is only theory. You have no experience. If you study the theory, can you prepare the biryani? After theory, experience, practical class must be there. So, practicality must be there for self-realization. Practice is needed. What is that practice? It costs nothing. You do not need a single rupee for doing this sadhana. Who am I? To catch that I-ness, to hold that beingness, to drag all our attention, all our energies to settle there in our beingness. 100% abhyas, practice is needed. You cannot know, you cannot reach reality with rituals. Some jnanis say this is also one kind of ritual. There is no homam, there is no dravyam, but simply inquiring yourself, your own self, is more than a ritual. It is the original tapas. To pay attention in our heart, at that I amness, I am, nenu, nanu. Simply nenu is enough. Simply I-ness. Even a single rupee is not needed. For academic schooling, money is needed. For general education, some money is needed. For Atma Vidya, for the education of self-realization, to realize your own self, no money is needed. Your dedication is needed, your attention is needed, your own quest is needed, your own appetite is needed, not others. Our mind should become pure. Purity is nothing but desirelessness. If you desire nothing, then purity will come. You should have one and only one destination, that is I am. I amness. It's the only and one and only destination. Your mind will say, okay, oh Bhagavan, you are right. You are my Guru, Lord Sri Bhagavan, Ramana, you are my Guru, it's okay. My destination is also Jnanam. I will practice I am. But this but is bad. But only one thing. After completion of my studies, I will do this. Then, after completion of my, some priorities are there. Earning money. After earning 1 or 2 crores, then Bhagavan, I will do enquiry. After marriage, I will enquire well. These are conditions. This postponement is nothing but the cunningness of the mind. Mind is cunning. Mind never accepts to die. Actually, if mind dies, you will sprout into consciousness. You are transforming from limited happiness to limitless happiness. But my mind will never accept it because of its fear of death. Death of the mind leads to birth of self-realization. Death of the mind transformed to birth of the self, the original self, the real self, the reality. Spirituality is not a philosophy, it's reality, your own reality. You will discover your own reality, going deeply into your own heart by holding that I amness. It will go, or it will transform into reality. That is your own reality. Your body is not your own reality. It's an image only. It's simply an imagination of your mind only. It's simply an idea or thought of your mind only. Body is the thought of the mind. But you are not aware of your own self. So,